Hey guys, welcome to Login Apps. Today I'll be showing you how to sign up for a Lumen5 account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to sign up for a Lumen5 account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I've already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in the address lumen5.com like this and hit on enter. And over here guys, you can see the sign up button directly over here on the middle of the screen or at the top right of corner of the screen. Whichever you choose, you can go to the registration process of the Lumen5. But if you have already created an account, you can simply log into your Lumen5 account from over here, which is the login button. And with that being said guys, let's click on the sign up free button. And over here guys, you'll be required to enter your full name like this, and then your work email with which you're working, like this, and then enter your password guys, and click on create an account. And over here guys, you can see our account has been already created. Now we have just we just need to optimize it, so let's click on the skip for now, this one. And now guys, you can see we have successfully signed up for Lumen5 account, and let's go and confirm it in our Gmail if the Lumen5 has sent us any type of the confirmation link. And, let's check the spams guys. And no guys, the Lumen5 has not sent us any type of verification mail, which means that we can directly start to create our video using the Lumen5 from over here like this. And let's wait for this to load. And you can see guys, it's the ID creator, and there guys, we have successfully created a Lumen account online on our computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.